We introduce you episode number 7 of 1 Minute Dental series. This 1 Minute Dental series is dedicated to protection of interdental papilla in case of veneer preparation when we have black triangles. We know that to close black triangle we have to localize our finish line more apically. First step, we have to put retraction cord, and in some cases retraction cord may help you to protect this interdental papilla, but sometimes unfortunately retraction cord doesn't work properly. But there is a tip. You may use thin instrument like probe or explorer or thin spatula, and mechanically you may retract interdental papilla, and to get room for apical preparation in more controlled mode. In this case, you can move your finish line more down and interdental papilla will be happy. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and switch on notifications using this bell. There is a lot of new information coming.